What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to show you how to open up a Bank of America checking account online. So the process is actually really simple and straightforward. So let's get into it. So first, head over to the Bank of America website, and from the main menu simply select checking. You'll then be able to see options like Advantage Banking, Student Banking and Business Checking. So since we're opening a personal account, simply click Explore Checking Options. So it will then first ask for your zip code. So this is just so the bank can show you the most accurate fees and offers in your area. So after entering it, you then see three main checking options: the Safe Balance, Plus Banking and Relationship checking accounts. So once you pick the one that suits you, simply click Open Now. And on the next page, you then see a quick summary showing your zip code, the checking account you're applying for, and an option to add an offer code if you have one. So right below that, you also have the chance to add a savings account. So Bank of America suggests this to bundle both applications and save time. You can also view all the details and fees for each account type right on this page. And if you click on what you need to apply, a small list will then expand showing you everything you need, like your social security number or taxpayer ID, your current residential address, employment and income details, and a way to fund your opening deposit, either from another bank or with a debit card. And once you've got all those ready, you can then continue with the online form. So simply fill in your personal details, review the terms, and submit your application. And after completing it, you will then get a confirmation screen and a follow-up email letting you know that your account has been successfully opened. From there, you can then set up online banking, download the Bank of America mobile app, and start managing everything from your phone, including direct deposits, mobile check deposits, and alerts for account activity. And that's it. So that's how you can open up a Bank of America checking account online. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.